Hello everyone. English phonics can sometimes be very challenging. And you know the sounds which are really difficult in English. What are the sounds called? These are called vowel sounds. And do you know what are the vowels? I guess you know it. Yes, these are A, E, I, O, U. Now let's think about these are the vowels. What should be the vowel sounds? In this video, we are going to learn about vowels and vowel sound and their types. Vowels is basically the group of alphabet which we already discussed A, E, I, O, U. And the sound, how to pronounce those vowels in a word is known as vowel sounds. These are the sounds which we make without blocking the airflow from the mouth. Let's talk about how many types of sounds we can make through these vowels. The first thing should be understand that there are two types of vowel sounds. Few are short vowel sound and few are long vowel sound. Let's learn about the short vowel sound. The alphabet's vowel are A, E, I, O, U. Now, how does these letters are pronounced in short vowels? A, A, E, E, O, O, As you all hear all the vowel sounds, these are the short vowel sound. Let's see examples. A, apple, apple. I, elephant, elephant. E, igloo, igloo. O, octopus, octopus. Umbrella, umbrella. While you hear the sounds, you see my mouth. How I took the sounds out of my mouth. So these are the short vowel sound. Can you give me some examples for short vowel sounds? Write in the comment box. Now let's learn about long vowel sound. Now these alphabets, when act as long vowel sounds, they give the same sound as the alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. Now you get the difference between short vowel sound and the long vowel sound. Now let's see some examples for the long vowel sound. A, cake, cake. E, me, me. I, kite, kite. O, rope, rope. U, flute, flute. Now you understand the difference between long vowel sound and short vowel sound. Let me tell you a fact about English, that each word in English have a vowel sound. Yes, you hear it right. I said vowel sound, not vowel. After watching this video, you will understand why and how. And there is one more thing I should tell you, that Y, the letter Y have a sound which is sometimes also known as vowel sound. But The letter Y is not a vowel. For example, the word cry, fly, these have Y sound at the end. That is not a traditional vowel, but a vowel sound. In this word, Y act as a vowel sound and it seems like I. E-Y-E, I. I. Yes. I. That is a long vowel sound. Now let's see some fun facts for the vowels rules. Rule number 1. The silent E in a word makes the vowel sound long. Let's see the examples. Cap. C-A-P, cap. In cap, the letter A is a short vowel sound. A, cap. Now see the other example. C-A-P-E, cape, cape. Now E at the end is a silent. So A in the middle is giving us long vowel sound. A, cape. Now see some few more examples. Mad, mad, made, made. Hop, hop, hope, hope. Can you write some words in comment box? Now let's see rule number 2. When vowel and a vowel combine together in a word, they make long vowel sound. Let's see some examples. P-O-A-T, boat. In word boat, O and A are two vowels that combine together to make a vowel sound long. O, O. O and A represent sound O, O. Boat. Let's see some examples. Rain, A, rain, rain. Team, Eam, team, team. Now let's see rule number 3. If a word has one vowel and it is end with a consonant, it usually gives us a short vowel sound. C-A-T. A is a vowel, ends with T is a consonant. Cat, at, cat. Now you see the sound is a short vowel sound. Let's see some examples. Bat, bed. Sit, sit. Tips for correct vowel pronunciation. Now rule number 1. Listen carefully to the native speakers. If you listen the podcast very carefully, if you go and meet with the people and talk to them, listen to them, that would help you to pronounce the vowels clear. Practice in front of a mirror. When you stand in front of a mirror, you are talking to yourself. And when you talk to yourself, you can pronounce the word more clear. So talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Repeat words loud. When you read the words and repeat it loudly, you can pronounce it much better. Practice and practice makes your sounds pronunciation much better. When you speak the long vowel sound, stretch them like me, see, rope. Then you will be habitual of pronouncing the vowel sounds clearly. Clap out the vowel sounds. Cat, cat, sit, sit. This can be very helpful to you. I hope you understand what are the vowels, what are the vowel sound, how to pronounce them clearly. Keep practicing every day and you will sound natural in no time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.